Eagerly anticipating your Joyabuy goodies. Let's make sure you know exactly where your order is, every step of the way. First things first, head over to Joyabuy and log into your account. Click on the My Orders section. This is your central hub for all things related to your purchases. Locate the order you're patiently waiting for. Within the order details, you'll find your tracking number. This is your golden ticket to follow in your package's journey. Now, copy that tracking number. Then, pop over to a universal tracking website like 17Track or Aftership. Paste your tracking number into the search bar and hit track. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your order's progress. Understanding the updates is key. In transit means your package is on its way. Out for delivery. Get excited, it's almost there. And delivered, well, that means it's time to celebrate. Sometimes, things don't go exactly as planned. If you notice any unusual delays or discrepancies in the tracking information, don't panic. Reach out to Joyabuy's customer support team. They're there to help resolve any shipping issues and provide updates. You can usually find their contact information on the Contact Us page. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be a tracking pro in no time. Enjoy your Joyabuy haul when it arrives.